said, it's Genesis.
Extra regret.
We're starting, but not the very beginning.
Talking to you, he said, hey, you can't be silent on this. Yeah, can we? I cut you off.
No, stop.
Talk about the depreciation thing. Yeah, because I feel
Again,
like
this is probably the last time I'm going to say this ever on this channel, but I do believe that this should be a yield sign. I know, having it be a stop sign is overkill, but it is what it is, and you gotta stop signs there, you gotta stop for it. I know for all you people out there that say this should be a yield sign, I agree with you! Shut up! I get it!
Okay, it can still happen. Now, they have to win one game, or they just need somebody to, you know,
Really?
take care of
Did they run the red light up there?
Now,
I'll
they
check
had two
that.
games. They had it so many times. He had him for a touchdown.
No, stop.
One time and underthrew him badly. He underthrew, and he also threw him a couple.
Left turn regret. Yeah, I know it sneaks up on you. What? And a red light run. Wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah, that left turn only sneaks up on you. And why are you turning? You're lucky I'm slowing down because the light's right up there.
Yeah, we don't have to just talk drums. Like you're also a coffee guy like me.
Yep.
And I got to go over your place because you have a new espresso machine that you got dialed
Really,
in.
dude?
You should see this guy's grinder. Looks like something you look at a planet with.
Yeah, it does look like a telescope. Yeah, I got a Coffetech grinder, Flat Max 2 for all the dorks out there. But
There's no shame in it, dude.
Built a theology around what he likes and what's important to him.
Red light run.
Yeah, and what
Really?
serves his interests. And then proclaimed that as the theology, as what
Theology is becoming history. We are watching the last of this. We are actually watching the 80s die right now, which is beneficial and encouraging to us because the people sitting in the middle of this have to take our children, who, if you've noticed, our children have been
extra
protected by
regret
us,
back
so we
there.
know how crappy our brain is.
Now we've taken that and tergiversated it, and
Really?
you've heard me use a lot of $2 words on the show. This is a $15 word.
Yeah, I was going to be very impressed.
This is your glass. Up came the tarp. Fortunately,
Extra regret.
That every year about the Bills. You know the fucking Chiefs are going to figure it out, even though they lost again.
No, stop.
Oh, that one hurt me too.
You know, everyone always runs that stop sign there. Really? No, stop. Red light run. No, stop. Toyota turd. Although this is pretty badly designed because the stop sign's way over there, so I'll give them a slight pass. You're gonna stop, right? Of course you are.
Then you hung around and helped out the rest of the day. You switched up the band. One of the early
Red light run.
on the national stage was the outfield. I was excited to see him.
Actually, you know what breaks my heart? Because I looked this up when I read Tom's joke. They go to the nicest restaurant in Iceland. The one that, it's Michelin
Exit
star.
dive.
Yeah, shit, really? Michelin star restaurant, yeah. All right.
And that ratio is in the formula. Okay.
Nope.
Becomes a more complicated formula.
Team, and if anyone was able to, you know, crotch bump the 9-pound solid rubber ball through that hoop and into the other team's area, that would win the match immediately, regardless
Really?
of the score. So,
Exit dive.
Kind of like a death cup in beer.
Asshole.
Jesus. I know you're trying to lure me in with D, but
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I just driven through Massachusetts, so it's what everyone did, and of course, well, down here they continue the tradition.
Guess is that, hey guys, what are you doing? What's going on? Is this pre-show shenanigans? I mean, we're doing
Legal U-turn.
Oh, are we? Yeah, time.
Nice cutoff. Even though I kind of get why you had to do it, but still, gotta look in your mirror first. Just hit the brakes, slow down.
Spanish had opened it.
Yeah,
they got it back.
Yeah, and if a bunch of hairs were in there, they'd know the Italians
Holy
had opened
shit,
it. So
really?
perfect crime.
So they had all the fake stuff ready to go, and now it was time to plant everything on the body.
What are the seer stones?
They're the magic rocks that translate the plates for Joseph. They glow
Nope.
with God's holy light and transform the
Nissan
test.
drivers.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a weird power that Christians have to turn Christian despite being Christian, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, you may have noticed at this point that Pat Robertson clearly had a fuck ton of family money, right? Like, at least enough that he was able to get done with Yale Law School and go, you know, I think I'd like to spend
Really,
some
Ron?
more money. About that.
Exit dive. Screw-baroo.
That venture quickly grew so lucrative that it couldn't stay under the umbrella of Robertson's tax
exit dive behind me.
operation.
Cecil? Please mute Eli for the rest
No,
of
stop.
the episode.
Done and done.
Start.
Okay, but that's really a compliment for the Titanic. If you think I should
Really?
compliment
Yeah.
Okay.
the 2 minutes is. Move on.
So they're
Really?
pulling out of the docks, and
Compliment.
okay.
The 2 minutes is. Move on.
So they're
Really?
pulling out of the docks, and they went past two other ships at their moorings. Titanic was the largest ship in the world at the time, and also the largest moving object ever built. So Titanic went past.
Did they dive for the
SS
left
City of
turn?
New York got lifted up on the
Think
wake
they did.
and then dropped into a big trough.
Looks like someone forgot to clear off the snow from the roof of the car, and it's too high up. Yeah, there's too bad there's no such vehicle in the world that has lower roofs so you can easily reach across. No. God, that'd be weird. Stop it.
Eclipse. Oh, gosh darn.
That makes sense.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
We good here?
Yeah.
So, you can have a full moon.
Mm-hmm.
You